Hey guys, so we're starting off with my eyebrows already done, and we're going to set our Urban Decay primer potion, and we're going to go in with our first shade, our transition shade, which is Saturn from the Prism Palette, and we're going in with the NYX blending brush. Now we're going in with Parallel, and we're using that as our crease color shade, and we're just going to go in and blend that out there. That's also from the Prism Palette. All the shades we're using from the Prism Palette today. And we're just going to use a swiping motion. Now we're going in with Obsidian, and that's the black shade in the palette. And we're just going to pat it onto the outer part of our lid, then blend it out. So we're just blending it out with a clean brush. And then we're going to keep placing the black shade to build it up, and then we're going to blend it out. So we're going to start with a little bit, place more, blend it out until we get what we want, and we're just going to continue that process. So at this point my arm hurts. So now we're going in with a wet flat brush, and we're going in with Dimension. And we're going to apply Dimension all over our lid. And we're going in with patting motions, and then we're just like swiping it. Pat, 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 pat. This is a beautiful shade. It's like an iridescent, like purple, blue. I really like this shade in the palette. So now we're going in with Cyrus, Osiris. It's like a blue shade in the palette. It looks like it's a foil shade, I'm not really sure, but we're just applying it right on top of Dimension and Obsidian, just to marry them two shades together. Then we're going in with a clean blending brush, and we're just going to blend all of that out. And then we're just going in and applying some more Dimension. Now we're going in with our Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, and we're just doing a small little wing. And now we're applying our Ardell Wispy lashes. I forgot the number of these lashes, but I'm just showing you how I apply my lashes. It's a struggle, and you know, I mean, it is what it is. Each day I get better and better, but it's a fucking struggle. Like, my arm is tired right now. I know my arm is tired. So now I'm going in with the foundation. First, starting off with my primer. It's Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I like this primer a lot. And then we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty foundation. And we're just going to blend everything out, guys. I'm using a foundation brush from Sedona Lace too, by the way, to blend out that primer. I've been liking blending out my primer with a brush lately. So now we're going in with a Sephora multitasker brush, and we're going to blend out that foundation. This Fenty Beauty foundation is weird, man. Some days I like it, some days I don't like it. So it's like, it's real weird to me. I be like, Liz, try it again, and I don't know. Some days I feel like it don't act right, but I guess it works well with its primer. So we're just going to continue to blend. Now we're going to blend out our concealer and our contour shade. Our concealer is Tarte Shape Tape, and our contour shade is Espresso. It's one of the Fenty matchsticks, and we're just blending it out with a wet beauty blender. My Tarte Shape Tape normally don't crease on me, but today it creased on me. I don't even know why, but I noticed that. So we're just going to continue to blend, and after we blend, we're going to set everything. Oh, that's my favorite brush right there for contour. That's my favorite brush to blend out my contour. I've been really gravitating towards that brush, just to let y'all know. Why am I looking down? I cannot tell you why. I have no idea why. So I grabbed an e.l.f. brush and we're going to blend out their nose contour. And we set our nose contour off camera. So now we're going to set our under eye. I mixed together my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder and my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I mixed the two together and I'm just applying that all over my face to set my everywhere I concealed. And now I'm going to set my contour with the darkest shade out the Black Radiance contour palette in medium deep, I want to say, or is medium. I want to say it's medium deep. So now you see me going over my contour earlier with my foundation brush, and now I'm setting my whole face with my Cover FX N90 powder foundation, and I'm just going to go over and set everything. Now we're dipping into blush. We're using our Black Radiance almond blush. Shit. And so now we're going in with the highlight shade out the Black Radiance palette, and we're going to highlight all the places that we want to highlight. Brow bone, cheeks, forehead, bridge of your nose. Go for it, man. I'm using one of my Morphe brushes that I just got too. It's really good for highlighting. So now we're going to set everything with our Fix Plus from MAC. And we're going in with our Urban Decay Naked Lipstick. I outlined my eyes, I outlined my lips with a brown lip liner too prior to applying this. I love the formula of these lipsticks, these bullet lipsticks. Now we're going in with our Smashbox Pout, my favorite lip gloss to top on a lipstick. And then we're going to shade out our under eye with Parallel. And we're just going to use Parallel, and we're just going to really just shade out our lower lash line. And we're just going to just do that. Ooh, ooh. We're using our Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I mean, this mascara really just is holding on. I really need to get a new one, but I mean, it's getting the job done, so I can't even complain at all. Just applying mascara to our lower lashes. And now I'm going in with, I'm going in with my inner corner with Lucid. And guys, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like the look, man. I really love how my foundation look, guys. I'm loving the Fenty Beauty today. I love my Anastasia Prism Palette. And guys, this look, I'm really loving this look right here. So let me know what you think, guys, okay? See you soon. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today using this Prism palette. I really enjoyed this palette. I like digging into it. I really think it's versatile for a person that's trying to, jump into different eye looks. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, become a part of the family, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.